Hello guys, today let's discuss one interesting topic: why Russians always use parentheses while they're texting on WhatsApp, Telegram, other apps, and what does it mean and why actually we do this. Russians really use parentheses a lot when they're communicating, and yeah, there are some people who maybe prefer to speak by phone or who prefer to send emoji or who don't use parentheses and their messages are without any other symbols, but most of the people anyway use parentheses while they are writing the messages. So what does it mean? When we send messages, we actually cannot express emotions like everything what we feel when we just send the message. And all these emoji, parentheses, it shows that we are friendly, that we are happy to speak with this person, and it helps us to express the emotions. And when I just started working with foreigners, I was surprised that you guys write just the message and they use the period after every sentence, and for me it was really strange, and maybe when I send the messages I also look strange, and for me it was really complicated to understand what this person wanna say. For example, we plan a class with person who, I don't know, we just text, and then when I see person in reality, it's always very different, because in the messenger person just sent me the messages without any emoji, and then in reality I see that person smile a lot, look happy, look very sociable, communicative, and it's very different. But in Russia, if you will send messages without parentheses, it means that maybe you are angry on this person and you don't want to speak. Anyway, it will make us a lot of questions. So if you speak with Russians, better also use these symbols. They will feel like that you are like they are. You are the same. Like you are happy to speak with this person. Like you are friendly. Now I work for many years already with people from different countries, and I understand that it doesn't mean anything. But the first year was very complicated to understand what person wanna show me what to express. So you can use one parenthesis, or the more parentheses you use, most happier your emotions are. But be careful, it's better to use just one or two symbols, maybe three if you are very happy. If you will use more, it will sound already sarcastic or ironic, like not natural, not like real smile. So one or two, it's enough, because too many symbols look like a bit weird. The same like you will use a lot of emoji. These Russians really are more attentive to this, especially if you speak with Russian women. They really care about all these parentheses, about these hearts after the messages, you know, emoji, what emoji you use. We really care about this. And if you will send a message to Russian girl like have a good night with a period, she will think, oh my gosh, something go wrong. Why she write me like that? So you have to maybe if you are just friends, you can use parentheses. If this is the girl who you love, it must be always hearts or maybe kisses or something. It's very important. And if you will write a message have a good night with period, it will look like you are aggressive, maybe you are mad on something, maybe you are angry or anything else. And if Russian girl will write you the message with period, it means that everything also is very bad. You did something wrong. You can be sure. If we speak about the older people, sure, they don't care too much about these things. I speak about the people who are plus minus 10 years younger or older than me. So the parentheses can look like this. This is like a short smile, that's why we use this. Or if we change it, it will be like a sad emotions, like when you're sad, you can send also this one. Guys, tell me, did you get messages with parentheses from Russians? What do you think about it? Are you agree or no? Do really Russians use it a lot? Russians who you speak with, is it strange? And if you are interested in learning Russian language, you can write me the message in one of the messengers. The links I will give you after this video, and book a Russian language class with me. Have a good night. Have a good day and good preparation for New Year. Bye bye.